Nora, where are you going? You gonna play with cousins? Where?
Oh, okay.
Nora, what are you doing? Uh-oh. Oh, put that down.
Okay.
Icky. Where are you going?
A big stick would work.
Nora's hitting the old dusty trail. Where are you going? Oh, you got a stick.
Try the pokey plants?
I guess.
Yeah.
Walk with your walking stick.
You thinking of a stick to knock that frisbee off? So you want a play stick?
Maybe not. Careful, baby girl. No. Hey, no touch. Hey, no touch.